Hello friends, welcome in Code with Hubble Labs. Today's lesson is a toggle. A toggle is the most of use inside the bool variable or bool value to reverse value in direct variable and array list. All of this. So we are start. So first of all, we are used touch begin method. This method is main view every touch activity to call this function. So print inside the touch and run our project and click to call this function in like this main view tab gesture. So here create variable is bool and default value as true, sorry, and print is bool every touch click. So print true, but we need to every touch event reverse value like this true to false and update inside the variable. So is bool equal to not is bool, so true to false and false to true, update and restore value. So click true false true false true false true, but we are not use this method, we are direct to use toggle to this reverse and directly change in variable, not use equal or not equal sign method. This is a toggle is provided by Apple. Example is a array list inside the first index direct to use toggle method. So this toggle directly inside the variable update value is like reverse value. So click, so print false true, direct to change inside the variable. So this is a false true result. So thank you watching this video, like video, share video and subscribe this channel. Hit the notification bell, you will get notification of our latest video. So thank you.